Yes, my people. So I go on. See curry pork here. Mm-hmm. Nice and lovely Sunday dinner. Father's Day dinner, eh? Nice and love. Super hot. See that? Rice nice and shelly. Mm. The pork is just falling apart. Like this. See what's up? Tastes really good. So I go on pan it. These are tenders. See that? Not too dry. Pick up on myself. Another one. Welcome back to the channel, my people. Welcome back. Day up on the Father's Day, I go on easy, man. All of the fathers out there, big up yourself. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, man. Believe me, you won't regret it. I have good content putting up on the channel. If you guys new to the channel, man, just do the right thing. If you guys are returning subscribers, same way, big up on yourself. Thanks for your love, thanks for your support, thanks for everything, man. Yeah, man. Happy Father's Day. It's the 15th, right? Yeah, man. It's Father's Day. So, happy Father's Day, one and all. Is it 15 or the 16? I don't remember. Anyway, it is Father's Day. Big up on yourself, nevertheless. Yeah, man. So, look, I don't live bad with people, you know, but realize if it's Father's Day, yeah, some people me tell Happy Mother's Day. Me not get back Happy Father's Day from them. I don't know why Mother's Day, which we all know say mother sometimes, depending on the situation, because what if relationships are situation, you know. In some situations, not some relationships, the mother may play a more important role. You know, the mother may be the backbone. Sometimes the father up and gone. And start touch the topic and I have a smile upon my face when I talk and going into the topic. I realize it's serious and I not even feel comfortable for continue going at it. You understand? So change the topic. I just there. I wanted to do a little adventure video today, but music that everywhere when I go and I can't turn on my camera. So, no to that. So I just decided to come back home and prepare a Father's Day meal for myself. My son is not here today. We went to the barber shop and I figured he probably have homework or something like that and then school tomorrow, so I brought him by his mom. Yeah, so that he can get organized for the upcoming school week. Yeah, man. So for today's video, I wanted to do some jerk pork, but I'm out on fire coal. The jerk pan is right there. Out on fire coal, so I can't put the pork in the oven. I haven't done a curry pork on this channel as yet. I've done a brown stew pork, however. So I'm wondering if I should just curry a piece of this pork and put it back because it's quite a lot. Let me show you how I go on. I'm gonna do some chicken tenders. I have some chicken over here, so I'll do some chicken tenders and I have a bag here so with some pieces of pork. I did take out fish as well, but I put them back. Whenever I go to the butcher style, guys, I tend to like take out a few parcels, you know, like a few cooking sizes and we bag them up. So even if I buy like 6 or 7 pounds of pork, I'll try to separate it into 2, like for a cooking, like based on what my pot can hold, you know. So I did buy some nice pork over there, and I take this out of the bag and I bag it out separately. And we have some chicken breast over here, so we might make some tenders. I think I'm gonna pressure some peas, you know. Guys, when it was Mother's Day, I cook a nice and proper meal. And I don't think because of Father's Day, I expect nobody to give me nothing. You see in our life, let me tell you guys something. If you don't want to feel disappointed with persons, just stop expecting them to do the unexpected. Right now, oh, I bought a little bag of pimento. What I'm gonna do right now is just throw this out in my small bullet, because people, I have noticed that while I've been using this thing over the years, most people tend to pick out the pimento berries and throw it away. I am going to blend this out to dust. That means that whenever I use this, I will get the taste and there will be nothing in a nobody plate for them throw away. You understand? That is one of the reasons why I stop crushing scallions and put in a pot. These days, I just mince the scallion and put in a pot. So when I serve a food, if there's not bones to throw it, there's nothing at all to throw it. You know, so big up on yourself. I'm not showing you the results. So me have like quarter cup of this. See, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to blend it out to dust. So no more pimento seeds to throw away from nobody. Yeah. I serve quite a few food, and when we look, they have show pimento seeds one side, which me myself now eat it now. If me buck it up in my plate, me I pick it out, because it tastes very strong. I think I'll get the most of it by doing this. So guess what? This is a test run. Yeah man, this is a test run. Thank God it's not that much, so if it's an epic failure, I won't lose a lot. Anyways, I pressure some peas and clean up some meat, prep some seasoning. Big up on yourself. Alright people, update. See, I have my pork meal. I had to put back peas. I have my pork cut up, washed and clean. I'll just go season this now to put it on. I've added some dry thyme and some mashed garlic in here. Just mash out the garlic. So first I'm gonna go and get some of that pimento that I've blended. Yeah man, so now pimento seed. You know this again. Alright, and the season that you guys see me blend the other day, I'm going with some of this. That looks okay. Now some Maggi all purpose. And I'm going to be currying this pork. So almost out on jeera and masala. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little amount of the jeera and masala. And I've combined these two seasons, guys, so I don't really use one without the other. Almost out on it, people. So that is that. Now my curry powder. Alright, so I'm going to stir this a little bit before I can determine if I need more curry or not. bit more. Alright, I'm gonna get a zoom up, close up. I just add in a little piece of scotch bonnet to this. Yeah man, people, the smell from this. Well seasoned. Right, and over here so I have my rice and peas. I go on steam. I'm gonna steam rice in a duck today because I'm going to use the pressure cooker for this, or the rice cooker, which I've already shown you guys can do high pressure and rice, whole heap of things. Understand? So that is it. Alright, so I need to burn some curry and add that to my pressure cooker. Show you how I go on there now. Alright, see there? A little bit of oil in this already have weight. Alright. That looks like a generous amount. Now I just want to mix this around. Make it burn. Yep. Alright, so I'm just gonna stir fry this for about a minute, keep stirring it. You know, I don't have to burn too early. You know, you just want everything with a nice little edge or crust on the outer side. Alright, so I'm just gonna let this remain just like that for about a minute while I add some water to it to pressure it. Alright, afterwards, when it reaches to good texture, when the pork is cooked, then we're gonna go in with the carrot, the Irish, and all that. Guys, right now, we actually are running late on the pot because put the piece to pressure and sit down out here watching a movie on the TV. It's been a while since I had watched a movie, and can I tell you, say, me sleep over the whole of the movie. Yeah man, because last night I was out, I mean like what, 4 a.m. And then when I wake up this morning, I had to bring my son to the barber shop early along with myself. And I tell you, say, guys, tired. So I didn't even know when me drop asleep. Alright, so I'm going now. Then put some water. We're not going to use too much water to cook this thing because I know soup we are cook. Alright. Now me just go close it down and let it pressure. Almost everything is fully submerged, but trust me, the pork is gonna spring its own water, and this thing, it's not good at dissolving water. Or yeah, so you have to be careful when you're adding water to this. Your meat or whatever you're cooking it will come out looking like a soup. Alright, next menu. Here we're going to now. We have some chicken breasts already washed and clean. I'm going to season this. I've cut them into some strips, you know, so they can fry really easy. Yeah, so me don't have no breadcrumbs, so what I'm going to do is just season this, dip it in some butter, some flour, and yeah, pretty much that's it. So I'm gonna go in with some onion powder first. And for a menu like this one, you don't need to over season this. So I'm not go in with no, I'm not make no wet rub or nothing like that for this one. I'm going with some Maggi all purpose. A little bit of Maggi chicken as well. Yes, man. And last but not least, oh, I'm out on garlic powder. Okay, alright. I'll work without it. So, the season that I blended, I don't want to add too much, so let me use a spoon. My very own homemade all-purpose. And last but not least, the paprika. Where's that thing? Alright, yeah. So, some ground paprika. And I think I'm gonna make this one a little bit spicy, you know, so this one won't be mild at all. Ground paprika, and yes, this will give our tenders a beautiful color. See? You can have red pepper flakes, add a little red pepper flakes to this. You can chop up your scotch bonnet or whatever pepper it is that you need in yours. I'm going to use the red pepper flakes. And then we'll just go stir this. Alright, in the meantime, I have my pan hot on the stove with medium heat. Let me add a little oil. Let me go add a little oil to that. Alright, so looking lovely. Alright, we don't need more than that. So now to prepare the butter, I need deep enough container. You can go inside. Thank you. Now some flour. Just want to use a generous amount to coat all of the chicken strips. Alright, so now we just go add a little bit of all-purpose to this. A little bit of black pepper. And more paprika. Alright, that seems. So while the oil is hot or getting hot, yeah man, this is ready. Just want to combine everything. Yep. Alright, so oil seems to be hot. I'll go test it. You can smell it. I'm just gonna use the spoon. Yeah man, ready. So let me just coat a few pieces of this chicken strip in this flour. Right, so let me just go in now and see what I go on. Nice. Guys, and remember this is all chicken breast. So nothing in this. No need to fry up to 15 minutes. So you can just be a judge and look at it and know when it's ready to come out. You don't want to over fry them to them dry out. You know the work. Alright, so let me see if this is ready to be turned. Yes, no man. Yes, people. That is it. Nice and lovely color. As I said, we don't need this to fry for too long. It's chicken breast. You don't know we are really. It will dry out. We don't want that. We need our chicken breast juicy. That is it. Not everything is going to be ready to turn. These were the first two pieces that went in. So, yeah. Yes, people. See the stain? Get the pork container now. Alright, so for this one, you need a fork to do a skin there. So let me get this fork right there. No man, 25 minutes certainly wasn't enough. So lock down again, give it the next 20 minutes. I could work on this thing already, but it did take 25 minutes, but this work look like it's a bit older. Or a lot older. Well, we go find out because it says 21. So additional 20 minutes and so on. So stay tuned, keep you guys posted. So I go on the chicken structure. Yeah man. And the rice and peas ready over there, so I wait. Yeah. So adjust the fork to come in. Big up on yourself. Oh, I go chop up these and just keep them in the container for the pork until the pork is ready. That is it. Alright, so first batch ready. And guess what now, guys? You know what I do? So I make it burn in a burner. These black spots that you're seeing are from the pepper flakes. Alright. Nice. I love it. One more and a Sunday. So nice. Juicy fried chicken with pork. So as I say, no need to do that different, that is different. We don't have to do things the same. Everybody have their preference in how they prefer to do things. So last button come up. And if you guys recall earlier in the week, what did I do? Was it fried chicken? Yeah man, I did fried chicken and corn. And buttermilk corn. Yes. You still have leftover sauce from that. And guys, the pressure cooker 25 minutes has ended. So as soon as I drop in this batch, I'm going to check on the pork to see if it needs more time. Yeah, people, the skin is finally cooked. See, eh? Nice and lovely. Now, I don't know how much I cook a strike. Time to go in with the season. Oh, eh. Next small chef is not here, so you know, you gotta make him add the season, which is my son, people. So if you guys are staying tuned to the channel, you guys would know exactly who the small chef is. Yeah, man, and this camera and this light actually now give this curry now justice, guys. So I go on this camera and this light now give me no justice. Alright, so now I'm just gonna start this without closing the valve, the pressure valve. I'm just gonna leave it on steam, and I'm gonna put this back at high temp for an additional 10 minutes so that the carrot, the okra, you're about okra, no okra, no people. The carrot, Irish, all our season and everything when we just put in there will cook, and hopefully the gravy thicken up a bit by the next 10 minutes. So yeah, that is that. Big up on yourself, stay tuned, and we'll show you how I go on. I think I'm just gonna have a shower and time this 10 minutes. How do them dog, man? So big up on yourself. See there, Jamaica's favorite. They are going easy, you know, see it? Hey, you know how much you guys would pay for a piece of this at maybe Papa's sell tenders? Yeah, man, I think 6 pieces of tenders maybe like $1,100 or $1,200, and you can get that off of one chicken breast. Do the maths. This is the finished product. Yep. Nice and lovely. I never see curry pork yet, see it? Yep. Yes, my people. See what I go on? See curry pork here. Nice and lovely Sunday dinner. Father's Day dinner, eh? Nice and lovely. It's super hot. See that? Rice nice and shelly. The pork is just falling apart. Like this. See what's up, man. Tastes really good. So I go on pan. These are tenders. See that? Not too dry. Big up on yourself. Another one.